Okay, so we're in Stoke-On-Trent and we're at a factory, Henry Goss factory. I believe it's something to do with pottery. Let's have a look around, let's see what's in here. There's me Laura.
Hiya.
So have a look, let's see what's around here.
I'm just saying that we'll explain, we'll do it later, the explanation of this, and then we'll put it in the video.
Put it in that video. Let's have a look what's around here. If there's anything. Looks like it's aircon's still going. Wonder how we're getting in then. No, you can get in there. Looks like there's been fire damage. Oh, fine now the electricity should have been turned off. Oh, it's like a furnace. Fumes, that's the one. Let's have a look. Like an old kiln. It's a bit of history, this. But you're right, a lot of places that we've been to could be in a museum. Do you think we can get in there?
Yeah.
It's not going to turn on me, is it?
Turn on, it's an old... It's not even a machine. It's where everything was baked.
Fucking hell. That's amazing. That's absolutely amazing.
Ooh. That's in my eyes.
Oh. Yeah, so I suppose that's where they'll put...
Stove is on fire. This would have been... This would have been hot, wouldn't it? I mean, like an oven.
Yeah.
To bake
the goods.
Yeah.
The pottery. There's a massive door here. How interesting, a door. Ah. Yeah. You can still smell that fire.
That's what I'm saying, I just said that. I said,
did you?
It smells of the fireplace, burns.
I mean, look at all this. But then those AC units are live. And we are... Oh, that smell.
Yeah, look at all the pottery. Look at it all. Oh, it smells chiselled.
Chiselled?
Oh, look at this very good spot, so I don't want to be here long.
Nah.
Wow. This was spent with a building that's been set on fire.
I mean, how long has this been abandoned for? Well, on fire for. That's the interesting thing. Oh, shit.
I don't know what's here, it's just like a kiln.
The kiln was cool. I found the ladies. Yeah, I found the ladies' toilet. And I found a back way in as well. Yeah, found a back way in as well. This is what fire damage does to places. I wonder how long... Oh god, you can really smell it. So... Now, the old production line. It's really nice actually. I know it's obviously been, you know, fire damage, but it's quite nice. Oh, look at that. What's that? Like an old, I don't know. Laura will know because Laura knows this stuff. Laura will know. It'll be on her video. Be on your video. What's this?
Oh, wait, that's not filming.
Oh, what's this machine here then? What is this machine here?
Shit, I don't know. Is that another little kill?
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Comment your answers below because we're interested.
Like, considering the amount of pottery there is, I mean, I would say it could just be a heating system for this whole building, because there's a boiler there.
Oh, I didn't even see that.
It's got a temperature gauge on it and everything, so...
Didn't see that.
Very interesting.
Alright. Beware of the dog. What fucking dog?
Pottery dog. The dog of pot.
There we go. I don't know. Got a lot of crawl space. What's that? Somewhere Stoke-On-Trent.
What I was saying is we'll find out when it was open and it was shut. All that bejazzle.
Here, look, there's like a slough here.
Inside. Oh yeah, that's one of those belts.
So as you can tell, this is quite fucked here. People have just been in and fires, vandalised, but there's no graffiti on the wall. That's what makes places interesting, don't it? The graffiti's on the wall once they're vandalised.
Tell you if there's decent, not decent graffiti, but graffiti that if someone's going to do it a good piece, not.
No, I think it's been abandoned for a while because this is an old.
What gave that away? The fact that it's shit.
Well, no, because look at the old fuse box. It's a 3036 fuse box.
There's the cover for it.
I don't know.
This has been abandoned for a while.
Look at the old fucking rocker cover switch. Look at that.
What's this thing? Yes.
Another lavatory.
There's still loads of big companies in pottery open. Stoke-On-Trent. It's a big old place for...
That's been ransacked. We'll give that away. What's that? Water? This is pretty cool, isn't it? Maybe we'll have some more luck with finding some of the graffiti. Photos. Need photos. Oh, I didn't even think about unions.
These times, you need to know, there's no work places like it happens used to be, is there now?
No.
Not that I know of, but I do live under a rock. So, very well.
I do want to get upstairs.
You know what? Where are the stairs?
Well, I'm thinking about using the conveyor
No,
belt.
I don't, because please don't. I wouldn't risk it. I really wouldn't.
I do want my chocolate biscuit.
I saw stairs and that looked okay, but using that to work.
I don't think I'll make it very far anyway up that side. There's got to be stairs or something around here because there's like loads of other layers to this place.
It'd be interesting if somebody, like you've got somebody watching this that used to work here.
Yeah.
Just didn't know it when it was live and kicking.
Ooh, Saturday Night Live.
I always get all reminiscent places like when we come out. Remember what I said about the light in my eyes?
I'm really sorry.
I just nothing like how can you just do this? live in a world of there's no, what's the word, with everybody knows what's coming, everybody knows what's next. There's no mystery in the world. It's like if you had to try and find somebody back then. I've got a film we were watching and they were having to try and find where a certain woman was living. And I mean, they didn't have internet or anything, so to try and find where somebody had moved to, like a different country, a different city, it must have been a real good job to find. Not a good job, but it must have some real detective work needed back then. You know, waiting for a phone call or being out and not being able to. I know what. I really 100% full on know what I'm thinking, how it's meant to come out. My mouth isn't producing what my brain's thinking.
Okay.
I just think we did once live in a simpler time. But it's better than the time we live now.
Bloody right. There's got to be stairs to get upstairs, isn't there?
No.
This smells like fresh fire.
Yeah. Even within the last 10 years of the fire, it's still going to smell because of the extent of it. Look at all these bits. That fella's Instagram that came here and had to put it up. So, little travellers, this was the pottery place in Stoke-On-Trent. I hope you enjoyed that. I know it's not an awful lot to see, but I do like these little historical places that are what our country used to be like. So please like if you liked this video, and please subscribe, because that would be really cool. If I could give you all a lollipop, I would, for subscribing. Maybe one day. Thank you.